What is this?
Did you have like water in your backpack or something?
None that I know of.
Here, let me see.
Okay.
Ew, look at that. Someone can't distinguish the difference between their fridge and their backpack.
Such losers.
Nice closed door.
Gag me with a spoon.
Oh, this sucks.
People like that never prosper.
My bangs are so long. Stupid bangs.
Why don't you cut them then?
Because my parents are cheap.
Mm.
You're not even listening. Hey, I have an idea.
What?
Maybe if we dress more like Heather and Jessica, they won't make fun of us anymore.
That could work.
Bye-bye, Piggy!
What? You know there's a cork at the bottom, right?
Oh.
And no more hammers, okay?
Yeah. What's up, losers?
What's that supposed to be? Huh?
Well, it's cute they're trying to be like us, but things just don't work out the way does it, Grace Face?
Seriously, again?
Of course your plan failed.
What do you mean my plan?
Never mind.
What's wrong, Heather?
I have this problem.
What?
I have an awful boyfriend. In fact, I'm dumping you.
Wait, what?
Bye, James. Did that work?
Hey! What happened to your hair?
My hair? What's wrong with it?
It's green!
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, you look like an Oompa Loompa. What did you do? I don't know, just help me wash it out. Class is gonna start. Here, just like this. There we go.
Nice hat. Where'd you get it?
Nice hair. I didn't think it was possible to make hair look that bad.
Hey, Heather, back off. You two, come with me.
Man, I'm glad your hair is back to normal.
I know, right? I just can't believe Heather did something like that.
I can't believe I went out with that.
Well, it would kind of make sense because... Never mind.
I have an idea. Why don't we get back at her?
Who?
Heather.
Not a bad idea. Hey guys, I've got this great plan. Meet me at the quad after school.
What's a quad?
Hey, so you know how prom's coming up, right? Prom is really important to people like them.
So what you're saying is we should get back at them at prom.
Eureka.
But how the heck are we gonna do that? People like that are pretty hard to prank.
Maybe we could trip her when she goes up to become prom queen?
How do we know she'll even get chosen for that?
We could rig the vote so that she'll win for sure.
Yeah, that could work.
Okay then.
Remember to check Heather's name every time on the ballots.
Alright, let's put them in, guys. Now all we have to do is wait.
Hey, Molly, Brooke. Nice outfits. Nice hair, by the way. How long did you spend on that?
Dork's trying to copy us again.
So cute.
She has no idea what's coming for her.
I would like to make a big announcement. Now announcing the Bayside High Prom King and Queen. Okay, Bayside High, I would like to announce our prom king is Rick Parker. And now for the prom queen. It is Heather Varshowicz. Congratulations.
Oh my god, Heather's a guy. And she bullied us when she was really just insecure.
Heather, I thought we were friends.
I'm never coming back here again.
What's wrong with you? 3, 4, go! What's wrong with you?
You're off count. What's going on here? You give me 2,000 right now.
But I can't
Right
do
now,
it.
come on,
I
down,
can't
right
do
now.
it.
You can keep going. Keep going with your push-ups. Let's go all the way down. All the way down. Let's do a real one. You're both such girls. Come on, man up. Do your push-ups.
You're such a girl.
Keep going. All right, that's one good one. Keep going. Oh, come on, man up.